The Cove used to be a sanctuary for sea otters everywhere. It was a place of peace and tranquility, full of happy otter folk. But that all changed when the evil Petrolio began drilling for oil off the coast. Oil spilled out of the sea floor like a bat out of hell, consuming all in its path, including my wife and my baby. I couldn't swim fast enough. I couldn't escape. I couldn't protect my family. Petrolio defiled the rest of the coast as he drilled for more oil on the seafloor. You see, Petrolio takes the oil back to his lair where he turns it into gold. Gold he uses to feed the one thing that keeps him alive. The most powerful, most evil, most despicable entity in the entire world. The oil left its mark on me, both mentally and physically. I had to make things right. I dedicated the rest of my life to destroying Petrolio, under the alias Black Paw.
Hello, mate. It's me, your boy Petrolio. I'm just here in my evil lair underground, just sitting on a big old pile of gold that I turned into gold from oil. Turns out there's a little man named Black Paw, a little otter from the sea, a little fresh boy who's coming after me. Oi, he ain't got a chance though. I killed both his little wife and his son. I just don't care, you know. I'm just Petrolio.